In Japan, Mokuhanga, the traditional printmaking, is inherently rooted in natural materials, developed over centuries through the wisdom and techniques of past artisans. From many of the tools we use to the handmade paper itself. It's a tradition in which humans work with nature, not against. Every day as I work, I apply pigments mixed with rice starch onto hand-carved blocks, and I find myself constantly attuned to the moisture levels in the paper and even in a studio itself, as they directly influence how the print develops. It's like a quiet meditation or conversation with the environment around me. That kind of deep connection to nature's subtle shifts is what captivates me about Mokuhanga and makes this whole process so endlessly engaging.